Hey folks, who's famous for rocking hot pink feathers, legs that look like stilts, and a neck that all S shape? Yes, they are flamingos. At birth, baby flamingos are covered in white, floppy feathers and have a straight bill. As the flamingo develops, its bill gradually curves downward, completing the bird's signature appearance. What's the deal with flamingos being pink? Both flamingos and shrimp get their distinctive pink hue from consuming algae that contains carotenoid pigments. Flamingos, who feed on both algae and shrimp like creatures, get their fabulous pink color from both sources.